have a nice day. We are group number 18. The name of business we have chosen is Hushcraft. It is an online arts and craft business. If we take on the history here, it doesn't have a big history. It started about a year ago. It was founded by Miss Harshini Dialvis. They manufacture and sell a variety of handmade designs such as sandals, jewelry, greeting cards, and customized gift items. So, our group has created an accounting model for this business, and we will discuss it. Thank you.
The nature of the business describe the type of a business. Talking about the Hush Creation business, this business providing services in art sector. The main service is designing slippers, but Hushcraft providing more services. That services are designing earrings, collage arts, making various photo collages, and birthday cards and surprise gift boxes. But Hushcraft mainly focus about the slippers designing. It is the main product in the business. Talking about the marketing data, the main marketing method is online platform. In this business, target customers are young generation because the young generation mostly using online platform to shopping than old generation. Hushcraft always using quality raw materials because from that business increase the customer satisfaction. For the marketing purpose, Hushcraft using so many methods to doing marketing. First one is the send products to celebrities. The second one is they are doing social media campaigns. Now Prasadini will continue the presentation.
Thank you, Dhananjana. Now let's talk about the problem identified in the Hushcraft business. Even though this Hushcraft is the sole proprietorship business, the regular recording for a business financial activities is known as bookkeeping. We can identify the some issues. Those are the main issue is that they don't have systematic bookkeeping system to report account details correctly, and she used a manual system to bookkeeping, but she missed some transaction, and she also doesn't have a proper billing invoice method. Hence, she requests us to make a billing invoice system for her business. So also this Hushcraft business is the sole proprietorship business. She used a manual system to bookkeeping, but she missed some transaction. Then it affects the business very badly. And there is no way to give a proper bill to the customers, and when they buy the goods, that why the system was made to give a bill, and that is the main issues we identified. So we decided to develop a systematic bookkeeping system for her as a solution to that issue. Thank you very much. Now I invite to Dilki continue our presentation.
Thank you, Prasadini. So I'm going to talk about how we have created this general journal, ledger, and trial balance. So first, this is the dashboard of our model. By looking at this dashboard, Hashcraft can easily refer to the total monthly income and the total expenses and see whether they have a profit or a loss for the month. Can I have the next sheet? This is the general ledger, the general journal. This general journal and ledger, trial balance, and the financial statement has created in monthly basis, as this is a small startup business, and monthly basis information will more useful for their daily decisions making. So I have included all the transactions occurred in month of July based on the available data given by Hashcraft Business. This general journal and the ledger and the trial balance and financial statements connected one another. When we enter the transaction in general journal, it will appear in the ledger automatically, and then the balance sheet, and then to the balances are passed to the trial balance, and then the financial statements automatically. Also, I have included a place where they can see whether general journal is balanced or not using if function. As you can see, can I have the next sheet? To connect the general journal to the ledger, I have created a chart of accounts table in the ledger sheet, as you can see. This account title column connected with the account title column in the general journal using data validation. And then the ledger account has been created using filter formula in Office 360 based on the title of account. If we want to create a new ledger account that is not existing, we have to add that account to the chart of accounts. All the balances of the ledger account linked with trial balance. Once we make changes to the transactions in the general journal, it will automatically update it in the ledger and then trial balance and then to the financial statements. Finally, when it comes to the next month's financial statements, we suggest can connect the trial balance of this month to the next month's trial balance using VLOOKUP function, so that just by updating figures, the financial statements will update it automatically. So the next presenter will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dilki. Since this is a startup business, I prepared a stock valuation report based on their information to determine the purchasers. As mentioned in the introduction, this Hashcraft business is a manufacturing company. They use raw materials as like pearls, ribbons, hoops, rings, and threads, and etc. And the work in progress items, like they use handmade slippers, handmade earrings, handmade bangles, handmade valentine cards, and likewise. And they use finished goods as customized gift boxes, and handmade photo collage, and likewise. So I decided to prepare this analysis for determine the purchases of the stocks. As an example, you can see uh, in seven, in 5th of July. Uh, in 5th of July, they purchased 200 pearls, uh, 200 pearls. By 9th of July, the remaining pearl quantity is 30. When it comes to the when it comes to the raw materials like pearls, it is very difficult to count one by one. So in here, in the built model, they can see easily the remaining quantity. So in that case, they can approximately determine the next set of purchases. So when it comes to the model, we first we insert the good received, and then we deduct issues from the GRNs, good received, and finally we can get the remaining quantity of the stocks. So they can easily uh, see easily they can easily see the remaining balance of these stocks. So when we compare to the manual manual valuation report, this is very helpful to them. That's it. Divyanga will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Amasha. In here, we have made a billing invoice system, which is very important for this business because the owner of the business has requested a billing invoice system. In here, we have in the billing this is the format of the bill. First of all, we have enter the company business name and the address and the business registration ID. In here, we have also at the date by using the date function, so it will be automatically update by day. So it will be easy to use to the business owner, and we have allocated invoice number place to invoice number, and then we have the client ID. When it's come to client's ID, we have also prepare a list of clients ID before in the transactions and the billing. We have to add the customers accordingly to enter their details, and then it will be automatically fill up in here by using this drop down menu. We can select the client ID, then the billing address and shipping address will also automated by the VLOOKUP function in here. Then when we select the client ID, the automatically address and shipping address will be shown up here. And also there we have made product drop down menu. It's also allocated in here the drop down product list. We can enter the product listing here, and we can also easily select the product that the client buy from the company. Then we can select the product easily by this drop down menu, and the other details like product code, price unit, and amount will be automatically shown up here. We have used if and value function together in here. We have only to put the quantity amount, then the automatic total amount balance will be shown up here. And we have also used the spell number function to show the total amount number in words. That's about our billing invoicing system. That's about our all of our accounting module. Thank you for watching.